All right, taking a look at our latest forecast for the upcoming weekend. Yesterday, to round out the work week, low to mid 90s. And taking a look at our weekend so far in June, we had low 90s for the first weekend, 70s for the second weekend. Very comfortable 80s last weekend, but we're going to be dealing with almost two different seasons this weekend. Very, very summer-like today, mid to upper 90s with mostly sunny skies. We are monitoring an opportunity for showers and thunderstorms today, though, so that'll be something to watch for. Just taking a look at our computer models, our short-term computer models, which includes the graph and the HER, which I'll show you here. Well, not really picking up on the spotty rain showers that we have early this morning as I'm recording this a little bit after 6 o'clock, dealing with a few spotty showers out in our western communities, and probably will still hold together through the early morning hours for the rest of eastern Kansas, but nothing that's going to be too much of a concern, at least comparatively speaking, compared to the bulk of the rain staying up to our north in Nebraska. Today, heat index value is getting close to, I really think a lot of places will exceed 100 degrees for the heat index. So very, very hot and humid for today. There is some minor differences in the models as well on how quickly the humidity drops today. So that'll be something to watch out for. But a much cooler day for tomorrow. In fact, it may be dry enough that the actual heat index, so it feels like temperature, could be cooler than the actual air temperature. So much nicer tomorrow. And then as we head towards Monday, almost very similar. So we're really looking at a couple of nice days ahead after today's heat and after next week's heat or before next week's heat as well. But you can see that we're going to be right around 90 for Sunday through Tuesday, warming into the mid to upper 90s. Very high likelihood of being in the mid to upper 90s with some spots even reaching 100 Wednesday and Thursday. And then models differ on a cold front, whether or not it comes through on Friday or Saturday. And so that could also determine the opportunity for when we would get some storms. So that's going to be something to watch out for. Right now, I just have the storms being at night for next week, but would not be surprised if we had a few storms lingering at times during the daytime hours next week. So that'll be something that we'll continue to fine tune throughout the week. Just to give you an idea of what to expect for the first week of July, probability of above average precipitation, and looking at near normal or equal chances of below normal temperatures or above normal temperatures. So certainly something that we'll be paying close attention to as well. But as far as today is concerned, stay weather aware, especially this morning with the opportunity for rain and maybe even a thunderstorm. Not likely to be severe, but wouldn't be surprised if a brief storm became severe with a quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Should be dry by this afternoon. That'll be all about the heat, and then a much nicer day for tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. Wind gusts this weekend, 20 to 30 miles per hour, so be aware of that as well. Have a great day and stay safe and stay weather aware.